Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a facial serum that promises deep hydration and tackles fine lines and wrinkles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a product designed for dry skin, the Institut Esthederm Intensive Hyaluronic Serum. It's a serum that claims to intensely hydrate and help with the signs of aging. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. This serum is packed with hyaluronic acid, a well-known hydrating ingredient. If you're not familiar with it, hyaluronic acid is like a magnet for moisture, attracting and holding it into the skin. That means intense hydration, which is ideal for anyone battling dry, dehydrated skin or wanting to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When you first use this serum, you'll immediately notice the comforting aloe scent, which is gentle and not overpowering. It's perfect for those who prefer fragrance-free or lightly scented skincare products. I've been using this serum for about 2 weeks now. As someone with dry skin, this product fit right into my routine. The texture is lightweight yet nourishing. It sinks in fast without leaving a greasy residue, which is great for layering other products on top. As I tested it, I used it both in the morning and evening. Applying it before my moisturizer gives my skin that extra plump, hydrated feeling. It feels almost like my skin is drinking up the serum. The immediate effect was noticeable. Skin feels softer, more supple, and you can actually see a slight dewy glow. But let's talk about the long-term effects. After consistent use, I noticed that my skin felt more comfortable throughout the day. No tightness or dryness, which is a big win for dry skin. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth appeared slightly smoother, though not dramatically reduced in just 2 weeks. Now, there are a few things to consider. The serum's price is on the higher end, so it might not be for everyone's budget. It's important to weigh the effectiveness against the cost. But if hydration and anti-aging are your primary skin concerns, it could be worth the investment. When it comes to value for money, the serum does deliver on its promises of intense hydration and comfort. It's not a magic solution for wrinkles, but the results are definitely noticeable when it comes to skin hydration and overall texture. If you're someone who needs a reliable product that hydrates and keeps skin feeling comfortable throughout the day, this is definitely worth considering. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable option, you could check out other hyaluronic acid-based serums on the market. There are several good alternatives that offer similar hydration benefits at a lower price point, but I'd say the Institut Esthederm stands out for its luxurious feel and the immediate boost it gives to dry skin. To sum it up, this serum has its strengths. It's moisturizing, leaves skin feeling plump, and smoothens the appearance of fine lines over time. However, it may not deliver instant anti-aging results for more advanced wrinkles or deeper lines. But if you're in the market for a quality hydrating serum, it's certainly a product I'd recommend. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Institut Esthederm Intensive Hyaluronic Serum, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.